friends, so today, since it is Rainbow Day, we are going to talk about the color wheel and color mixing. So, we know that the colors of the rainbow are always the same colors, but they can also mix to be different colors. So, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to make our color wheel. So, everybody knows the first color of the rainbow is red. There's that fun little name, Roy G. Biv, that helps us remember the colors. So the first color is red. So I'm going to use my watercolors, get my paintbrush wet, and then I'm going to color the first space in my color wheel red. Okay, so you're going to try and stay as neatly as you can in the lines. I know it's not going to be perfect, but just do your best. Okay, so we've got our red spoke in our color wheel. Now our next color is orange. I'm going to go around clockwise, so like a clockwork. So go to the next one. Make it orange. Okay, our next color is yellow. Keep going just like I said, like a clock. My next little space is yellow. See, mine's not staying perfectly in line either, it's okay. Alright, so 3 of our spaces are colored, 3 are still left. How much is that? 1/2 is left. So my next color is green. Paint the green. Okay, so I have red, orange, yellow, green. 2 more colors. My next one is blue. Okay. And then I know it's Roy G. Biv, so it's red, orange, yellow, blue, indigo, violet, but we don't have an indigo paint color, so we're just going to go from blue to purple, because indigo is like a mix between blue and purple, but I'm just going to go purple. Alright, so there we have our color wheel. Now, the next part is super fun. So, we have our color wheel. Now we're going to do some color mixing. So, the primary colors are red, blue, and yellow. So those are colors that we start with to make other colors. For example, if I take red and yellow and mix them together, it makes orange. If I take blue and red and mix them together, it makes purple. If I take yellow and blue and I mix them together, they make green. If you notice on your color wheel, look, red and yellow and in between them is orange. Yellow and blue and in between them is green. Blue and red and in between them is purple. Look at you guys, you figured it out. Okay, but we can also take those colors that we mix and make them into other colors. So you are going to get a chance to mix 4 different colors. So I'm going to show you first, so go ahead and put your paintbrushes down. And then you'll get to do this in just a minute. So you're gonna pick 2 different colors. So you can choose 2 primary colors, or a primary color and a non-primary color, or 2 non-primary colors, however you wanna do it, and you're gonna mix them. So I'm gonna do 2 primary colors first. So I'm gonna do yellow and red. I know they're gonna make orange, but that's okay. So up here, I'm gonna take, I don't have to color in the whole box if I don't want to. I'm going to just show what colors I'm mixing. So I'm going to do yellow, and I'm going to do red. Okay, so there's my 2 colors that I'm going to mix. And then down below, I'm going to mix them. So I'm going to take some yellow, I'm going to take some red, I'm going to mix them together. And look what it makes. Orange. Sweet, okay? Now I need to take 2 different colors and mix it again. So now maybe I'm gonna do a primary color and a non-primary color. So this time I'm gonna do blue and green. So those are the 2 colors I'm gonna mix. And down here is where I mix them. So do a little bit of blue, green, paint them together, and it makes teal. Okay, so you're gonna do that 4 times. If it makes a not so pretty color, that's okay. We're just practicing with color mixing, but the important thing is not to make a big mess. So make sure you keep it on your paper. If you make a mess, wipe off your desks, and you guys can leave these out to dry. And make sure we take care of our paints when we're done. We don't need to wash out the cups. Just dump out the water and set them to the side. They don't need to be washed with soap because they're just paint cups. Okay? All right. Have fun. Make good choices.